very perfect, very creative, very bright, very eager, very boring, very interesting, very loose, very. We say very many times. So today we will learn the replacement of very. Even in last video I discussed with you many words that can replace very. Even today I will continue the remaining words that can replace very, and it will definitely help you to memorize the word with the replacement method. This video is part 2, the replacement of very, part 2. So let me remind you, this is a 30-day challenge for learning English and this is day 1. So in 30 days what we will do, we will cover vocabulary, sentence structures, sentence formations, many things we will cover in the 30 days. So you are with me, we will work together for 30 days. This is day 1 and in this day we are working on vocabulary. We are learning vocabulary with the help of replacement method. So before I start, do subscribe my channel and hit the like button because it gives me motivation to make more videos. So the first one is very perfect. Very perfect can be replaced with immaculate or flawless. Very perfect, flawless, immaculate. Next is very creative. Very creative can be replaced with innovative. Innovative. Very bright, luminous. Very bright, luminous. Very loose, slack. Very loose, slack. Very eager, keen. Very eager can be replaced with keen. Very boring, monotonous. Very short, brief. Very short, brief. Very quick, rapid. Very quick, rapid. Very sorry, apologetic. Very sorry, apologetic. Very dirty, filthy. Very dirty, filthy. Very easy, effortless. Very easy, effortless. You can say very easy. An idiom is there, that is a piece of cake, something which is very easy to do, so you can say a piece of cake. I can say learning vocabulary is now a piece of cake for me. That means learning vocabulary is very easy for me. Very fatty, obeys. Very fatty, obeys. Very often, frequently. Very old, ancient. Very slow, sluggish. Very slow, sluggish. Very friendly, amiable. Very friendly, amiable. Very rich, wealthy. Very rich, wealthy. Very poor, destitute. Very poor, destitute. Very long, extensive. Very long, extensive. Very happy, very joyful. You can replace it with hilarious, hilarious. Very worried, concerned. Very worried, concerned. Very sad, excruciating. Very interesting, fascinating. Very interesting, fascinating. Very careful, cautious. Very careful, cautious. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.